Hey guys, this is Robert, and here's the package. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Here we have this desk clamp power strip with 8 outlets. So plain old box, no specs on the outside. There it is. Some padding here. Instructions. And then we have the power strip itself. And here you can see the clamp. I guess you can push it, put the padding somewhere here. There's 4 plugs here, 4 plugs here, 3 USB, USB-C, and then you just clamp it onto your desk. I'm guessing you do it like this way, maybe? Yeah. Or maybe you can switch it position. No. Whichever way you want to do it. There it is. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. If you're interested in an item, the link will be in the description below. And thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.